Hello everyone, welcome to EduTech Corner. In this video I'll be showing you how you can install one more very important application, DecSoft Android app builder. Now with this application you can build any Android application without any coding, just you have to drag and drop. Now to download this software I request you to visit our Telegram channel, EduCorner Official. The link will be given in the description. So here I have already uploaded the software, you can directly download, and here I am going to show you how to install. So there I have uploaded software with the crack. So here in this video I am going to show you how you can install the software with crack, and also later on I'll show you one simple application just to show that working of the installed application. Now before continuing the video, I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any latest software and its installation, because in our channel I am giving you a software with the cracked or license keys so that you will not miss any softwares. So let us continue. So download the softwares in our official Telegram channel. You can click download, it will download. If you don't have a Telegram channel, you can mail me. I will drop my email ID in the description so that I can share this application to your mail ID. Okay, once it is downloaded, it will be in a zip file. Before extracting the zip file, first thing what you have to do is you have to disable all your virus and threat protections. So in search, you type virus and threat protection and go to manage settings. Here you just turn off all the virus and threat protection settings, because Windows will consider this crack file as a virus, and as soon as you extract the zip folder, it will delete that crack folder or a crack file. And if you don't want to crack it directly, you can use it without any problem. So once you disable it, go to downloaded folder and extract to the specific folder. Okay, it is extracted. Here you can see there are two files. One is crack and app builder. In a crack you have two files. So first you install app builder and click yes. I accept. Next. So click create a desktop shortcut and click next and install. Wait for it to install. So once it is installed, don't click launch DecSoft app builder, uncheck that and click finish. Then go to crack, copy this patch and go to installed file location, that is program files. Here you click DecSoft, go to app builder, and here you paste this patch and double click on patch. Okay, so here you can click patch. Once it is done, it will show patching is done, and click exit. Okay, so now you are successfully installed your DecSoft app. Now you open this application, because on desktop you can see the shortcut created DecSoft app builder. So here you can see it is successfully installed. So now here I will show you one simple application, how you can create one Android application with this software. So here file, new, then app, so you'll get this interface. Here on the left side you have all the buttons. Just click the buttons and place button here. You can adjust the width of the button And if you want to add any event, right click and events. Okay, so here you can type window dot alert message. Inside this you can type alert message which you want to display. So I will display welcome to EduTech Corner. Once it is done, click save and compile. Once it is compiled, click run. There it was running. Click compile. Once it is compiled, go to run and click run. You can see button is created. Click on that, it will show welcome to EduTech Corner. Now this is a simple Android application program. I just want to show you that application is working. Now if you want any complete tutorial on how to build professional Android application with just drag and drop, you can mention in comments so that I will create one separate playlist for you. So this is about DecSoft app builder. If you like this video, press a like button, and if you want more applications, free applications with all the license keys and cracks, subscribe and join our Telegram channel. All the links will be given in the description. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.